Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable push notifications in Monopoly Go. If you want to stay updated for free dice rolls, events and rewards in Monopoly Go, then enabling push notification ensures you never miss a chance to earn extra rewards and stay ahead in the game. So let's go ahead and find out how. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're in the home section, go ahead and tap on the 3 hamburger line at the top right corner, which will bring up this expanded menu. Now, tap on the settings button at the bottom. Within the settings menu, tap on notifications. If you have disabled the push notification setting on your Monopoly Go, then if you want to turn it on, you'll just need to tap on the toggle button right next to push notification, and you will then be able to enable notifications for mischief report, social notifications, freebies, events, and offers. After you turn on this notification, you will be able to ensure you receive all new event alert and free dice notifications without issue. So that is how you easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and also don't forget to share and subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.